What's going on? In this episode, we're going to be rolling to Longview, Texas to replace an alternator that was recently replaced, actually, but it went out again, so I'm road tripping to replace it. It's not too far. It's only right down the street. We out here in Longview, had a customer, their alternator went out, and it was installed early July, so drove back out here, getting it done. It's only right down the street from Dallas. It's not too far. Same procedure though. Pretty easy to get to. So the bolt, you gotta remove 7 millimeters to actually get access to removing the alternator out the way. Like that. Studs gotta come out with these. Alright, got the old one out. That's the new one right there. And it pretty much goes in the same way it comes out. All in a day's work. Now we rolling back to Dallas.